Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to add family members to your YouTube Premium subscription in 2025. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your YouTube application. Now, after opening the application, you will see this interface. So, first, you'll have to set up a YouTube family plan to become a family manager. Now, as a family manager, you can share your YouTube Premium or YouTube Music Premium membership, and you can share your membership with up to 5 other family members in your household. Now, to add a family member, you'll have to simply sign into YouTube account using the Google account associated with your YouTube paid membership. In order to do that, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner, click on switch account, and you can easily add a new account by clicking on this plus icon and add the account that has the YouTube Premium subscription. And after doing this, you'll be successfully signed into your YouTube Premium account. Now, you'll have to simply tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen that will take you to this page that we are on. Then tap the gear icon to open up your settings at the top right of the screen. Now, from this, choose Purchases and Memberships. When you click on Purchases and Memberships, it will take you to this page. Here, you will find the option to edit next to Family Sharing Settings. Tap on the Invite Family Members button you will see here. Then you'll have to simply enter the email address or the phone number of the person you want to invite, then select send. Then you will get an email notification when somebody joins your family. Now, if you want to remove a family member, all you have to do is tap on the edit next to family sharing settings, then select the name of the person you want to remove, then click on the remove member option. And that is the simple way through which you can add family members to your YouTube Premium subscription. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.